Formerly known as the Integrator, the Boeing Insitu RQ-21 unmanned aerial vehicle is now recognized as the Blackjack. The RQ-21A Blackjack is a small tactical unmanned aircraft system designed and developed by Insitu, a Boeing company, to meet the requirements of the United States Navy and the United States Marine Corps. The Blackjack can be deployed in persistent maritime and land-based tactical intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, data collection, target acquisition and dissemination missions. The multi-intelligence aircraft system constitutes 5 air vehicles with multi-mission payloads, 2 ground control stations, and ancillary equipment. The United States Marine Corps has a requirement for 32 RQ-21A unmanned systems, while the United States Navy requires 25 systems to be used for shipboard, special warfare, and expeditionary operations. Insitu secured a $437 contract from Naval Air Systems Command in July 2010 to design and develop the RQ-21A Blackjack. The United States Marine Corps received a system from Insitu an Integrator configuration in January 2012 to execute early operational capability for the STUAS program. The maiden flight of the same was performed in the same month, and the new system was deployed with United States Marine Corps Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Squadron 2 and 3. The RQ-21A Blackjack successfully performed its first flight in July 2012. The land-based testing of the aircraft system was concluded in December 2012. The Blackjack successfully performed first shipborne flight from the San Antonio-class amphibious transport dock USS Mesa Verde in February 2013. The low-rate initial production was authorized in May 2013. The first East Coast flight trials were performed from the Webster Field Annex at Naval Air Station Patuxent River in June 2013. The RQ-21A is a twin-tailed unmanned aerial systems based on the Integrator unmanned system. It is a successor to Insitu's Scan Eagle and supports both land and maritime operations. The length and wingspan of the Blackjack are 8, 2 feet and 16 feet respectively. The system has an empty structure weight of 81 pounds, maximum takeoff weight of 135 pounds, and maximum payload capacity of 39 pounds. The roll-on, roll-off capability of the RQ-21A assists to perform ship-to-objective maneuvers. The lower logistics footprint ensures deployment from small sites and ship decks. The UAS supports tactical operations on land and at sea, as it doesn't need a runway for landing. The payload configuration of the RQ-21A includes electro-optic imager, mid-wave infrared imager, laser rangefinder, infrared marker, and automatic identification system receivers. The sophisticated payload allows military units to quickly address the emerging threats. The system requires 350 W of onboard power for the payload operation.